Hello all, I will show you the new panelizing feature of similar boards in newest DipTrace version 4101. And first, I apologize for my English, it is not native for me, but I will try to let it be clear for you. Okay, first of all, panelizing item has been moved to tools now, and also there is a button on toolbar. So for such boards you probably need tab routing feature with mouse bytes. And let's use default settings, and you can see there is board to board space and is too small. For this it is 0 and should be 2.4. Okay, so now we have board outline with tabs, and something strange is here because board outline is different, but seems we can move it into any place and get what we need. It looks like it can process any shape of the board. So let's try what happens to Gerber with such board. Gerber, export all, Gerber plus NC drill. Yes, we round. Okay, save. Just use Gerber import into trace to see what we get. Так, так, and open. This is what we get, and this is without holes, so we just need to add holes from NCDrill from the same folder. So now what we have in Gerber, we can import it in DipTrace, but this is we just use this for as viewer. Okay, also we'll try different options in panelizing. First one is tabs between edge rails. It is probably not a very good to apply this here, however it's also possible. We just need to move tabs horizontal. Okay, so we can just move it here, and we can just break this line, then one by one, and then boards. Also vertical tabs are possible, you can see here, similar, but different orientation. Now we can also try this option, keep material at empty areas. What it should do, probably it is not for such board, however it also visible. Okay, we get all material here, and also if we move any of tab to this place, we can get something here. It's not quite visible how to use it better, and if we, for example, change this option to something different, we can see it. This is what we get with such tabs. Also we can change number of tabs, some parameters of mouse bytes, of tabs, tab step, etc. You can just play with these options. Let's change number of tabs to see what happened. Okay. Okay, we need to move it a bit to get correct result. So what we get here, this is tab routing with mouse bytes. And next option is vscoring. Let's try with such board and do not change anything. Okay, it also seems to be correct. We can route non-rectangular areas and make scoring where there are straight lines. So let's try with Gerber. What happening? File export Gerber. So you can see there is separate vScorn layer. Let's preview it with board outline. Preview together. So now we have vScorn here and also board cutouts and board outline here. Of course, we will export them in separate files and provide to manufacturer as separate files, and probably should be included into export all. We can see it here with core, and yes, it is included in your export all option. Okay, so it will also be included into zip archive. So it seems that's all. Probably need to make let's try different board for this core, maybe a bit better. Let's try this board. No. We also enable this corner here. Okay, just such way. What happened? Oh, no. I should make a panel. Okay. There is a panel here, but it's probably not very good because it's not possible to route this correctly. We need some radius here, so we can this is our radius, and if we do such way, what we get, the break will be set to 1 mm because of yes. So this is boards without edges. However, if we need some rails, we just add it here. Let's say. Okay. So now we get rails with we get scoring, and we get routing.